To clean your brushes, you'll need your stand, your brushes, of course, your dirty brushes. Here's a cleaning pad that I got from TJ Maxx. Wasn't much money. As you can see, it has suctions on the back, and I believe it was like $5.99 or $6.99. $6.99. There's the price. It's got the various different types of scrubs on the front of it. Again, here it is outside of the packaging. What I did was place it inside of the sink over the drain. I'm going to begin with my beauty blender. As you can see, it is dirty. First, I begin with squeezing out the foundation, and then I put the soap mixture onto it and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze until it's completely clean. As you can see, it's not a beauty blender, but it's the Real Technique sponge. I just call it a beauty blender. I call all of them beauty blenders. It's a little bit worn there. There's a little bit left on it, so I put something specifically on the spot. Still trying to rinse it all out. All clean. Okay, here's the original beauty blender. I got the black one, which is the darkest one. You really can't see the foundation in it, and that is the reason why I got it. So it's not as hard to clean as the orange Real Techniques blender. There's my first brush, my foundation brush. Most of it appear to come out from just a simple rinse. So I squirt the solution onto the mat and just scrub. All clean. Now this is a little simple drying rack that I ordered, I believe, from Wish. I don't think it was no more than $5 or $10. It actually works pretty good. I was surprised at it because the price was so affordable. And my next brush, just showing the process again. My method is just simple. Scrub, soap, scrub on both sides until the whatever is on it is gone. Rinse and then start over again as needed. By now you should be able to pretty much understand my brush cleaning method. Is very simple. Now I'm starting over again with the smaller brushes. The method is still the same, but I just want to show how it's done, because you won't have to scrub as hard to get it clean unless it's got solution in it that gets stuck. That's the makeup in it that gets stuck sometimes. And then it's hard to clean out. But the method is pretty much the same. And here's another brush, same method. Just wanted to show how it's done on more than one brush. All done. Here's all my brushes. As you can see, I started with a lot of brushes. Just the angle. The end. That is all. Thank you for watching.